Sharpen skill for middle school student. Sharpen skill for middle school student is a series where we bring easy challenges, easy riders, simple questions that stimulate interest in math and remove math phobia from the mind of the student. Now, given a circle with center O, AB and BC are two mutually perpendicular chords. AB and BC, maybe one is horizontal and one is vertical, two mutually perpendicular chords, and we have to find the measure of the angle AOC, right? AB and BC, they intersect at B, and that's the right angle, and you have to find angle AOC. Sharpen skill for middle school student will promote math, create interest in math, and drive away all math phobia. The time is 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds. Without even drawing a diagram, you can instantly answer this question. For all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests, sharpen skill for middle school student. So AB and BC are two mutually perpendicular chords. What is the measure of the angle AOC? Time 2 seconds. Drawing a clear diagram is the key to success in all such geometry and trigonometry questions. Questions in geometry and questions in trigonometry, drawing a clear diagram is the first step. Now, we draw a circle with center O, right? A circle with center O, that is point number 1. And then we draw two chords AB and BC at right angles to each other. See the right angle. Mark here. AB and BC are at right angles to each other. And A, B, C. These are 3 points on the circumference. Line joining AB, the line joining BC, they are mutually perpendicular. And we have marked B as a right angle. And now we will find the value of angle AOC. So first we draw the diagram, which is the absolute prerequisite to solve questions in geometry and trigonometry. We draw the circle, mark the center O, take 3 points on the circumference A, B and C, join AB, join BC and mark this angle B as 90 degrees, and now we have to find the angle AOC. Note that the chord AB and the chord BC are not equal. The equality is neither mentioned nor implied. So, for the purpose of this question, while finding out the measure of the angle AOC, we cannot take them to be equal. Although in the figure they appear to be approximately equal, but they are not given equal and they may not be equal. But remember that if one of the chord is shorter, then the other chord will be longer. For instance, if the horizontal chord is shorter, then the vertical chord will be longer. And if the horizontal chord is longer, then the vertical chord will be shorter. So there's an inverse relationship. You cannot make two very short chords. You cannot make two very long chords. You can make them equal, or if one of them is short, the other will be automatically long. And now we shall calculate the angle AOC without assuming that AB equal to BC. Now we can see that ABC is the angle at the circumference and AOC is the angle at the center. Right? ABC is the angle at the circumference and AOC is the angle at the center. So angle at the center will be twice the angle at the circumference. So angle at the circumference is 90. So angle at the center should be 2 into 90 or 180. Right? AOC is the angle at the center and ABC is the angle at the circumference. And since the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference, so angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. So AOC is 2 into 90 or 180. So AOC is 180. That means AC is a straight line. When angle AOC is 180 degrees, AC is a straight line, and here AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter because the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So the required angle AOC is 180 degrees. Follow us for school math, Olympiad math, and competitive exam math. And remember, we have once a week free online class for all students. So you can write to us for a free online class once a week. It's absolutely free for students all over the world. And follow us for school math, Olympiad math, and competitive exam math. We shall be coming back with more such videos. Simple Olympiad math, simple competitive exam math, simple school math, simple challenges that will arouse your interest and remove math phobia from the mind of the student. Till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.